loves? It's your girl Lique with all things Lique. Just coming back with a video. I got an upgrade to my pump. Well, it's still the, excuse Chewbacca in the back, but it's still the Mini Med 780G, but we has an update. So I'm no longer going to be using my Guardian 4 sensors, which the last time I think I did a video, I was on the Guardian 3 sensors. I didn't even do a video on the 4, so sorry about that. And I did an upgrade to the 4, which the 4 was cool. It's lately it's been kind of hit and miss with my numbers. 1 minute it'd be like right on track, and the next minute it's not as accurate, which drives me crazy. Because if you don't know, your girl's been having some more diabetic retinopathy issues. I know. But with that being the case, I have upgraded my pump. I did a software update, and I have the Instinct sensor, which I'm about to install on this arm. Right now I still have the 4 on this one, so I'm gonna do this with you guys. I will show a clip of me doing some upgrade on the pump, because it literally is a software update, and I'll do some clips of that, and then I'll come back and we'll start installing the sensor. So the Medtronic 780G's upgrade did come with a pamphlet, booklet, and step-by-step directions. Here's some screenshots of my phone doing the upgrade, because again, this is all on your phone, and that's how the Instinct sensor will communicate. You will start it literally from your phone, but you have to update the app first. I did speed up the process. It took me about 2 hours. They estimate 3 to 8 hours, but it only took me about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to do so. And going through the process, you'll see my pump update. I did do a screenshot in here somewhere of that, because once I go through all these check marks, it does literally turn your phone off. So you have to literally unhook yourself and let your pump go through the upgrade. Here it is right here for that screenshot. And then after it's done, it confirms that you completed it, and it does give you an option to write in the book like your settings so you don't lose them. But I did not have to upgrade my settings. It was already in the system. It did not get lost. So we're back. Medtronic sensors, UPS, you know, we ain't gonna talk about that. It is one of the smallest sensors. It is my goodness, similar to the Libre 3, but this is made for Medtronic pumps only. Take a look at that. And it lasts for 15 days, y'all. 15 days without having to poke myself in my arm. I mean, my arms be beat up, bruised. Now I use tape because hot showers, baths, or pool, of course, the stickiness doesn't last. I'm hoping, but I hear good things about this. I'm hoping that this lasted 15 days without me having to use a tape on it. And this tape that I use is something grip. I got it off Amazon, but it really works. It's like a Band-Aid, basically. And it is, it sticks. It don't play. So, again, excuse my dog for his... Chewbacca gonna do what Chewbacca do, so I apologize for the noise. I'm going to get this open. Super excited. Let me go get the alcohol. All right, so I'm back. Got my alcohol pad. Just gonna roll the sleeve up. Wipe that down pretty good. Now, I say alcohol pad, but this is, yes, alcohol on a paper towel. I've been a diabetic since the age of 4. I don't buy alcohol pads. I just don't. Sorry. But let's get into this. I'm nervous. I'm nervous and I'm scared. So sorry if I'm talking too much. And I apologize for the echo. I bought a microphone, and I didn't use it. I don't know. Don't judge. Got it off TikTok. I'll use it. I use it for my voiceovers, but I'll use it. So here it is. It's open. A little nervous, y'all. So first step, says applying the sensor. Select the site on the back of your arm. Done. Wash with plain soap, dry, and with alcohol wipe, and let air dry. Alcohol pad. Done. Unscrew cap from the sensor applicator. So let's unscrew this. Oh, I'm so nervous. It does have a tape there. And this is made by Abbott, y'all. Abbott. And it says it's the most accurate CGM out there. So that's the plus. On top of it lasting for 15 days. Okay. I did unscrew it. The needle. Can you see that? There's the needle. Can you see it? Yeah. Looks about the same as what I've been getting. This is what the other side looks like. So, in case you want to see it. Screw. So all I got to do is place sensor applicator over the site, push down firmly, and apply sensor. Push down firmly. And then gently pull sensor applicator away from your body. Make sure sensor is secure. Literally reading the steps. Literally, y'all. Okay. So, putting it on this arm. I guess I'll put it right here. And then what is this thing? I don't know why I'm scared. I'm so used to the other one. Gotta press it firmly. Okay. That didn't hurt at all. Okay. Okay, you gotta pull it though. Okay. Oh, look how tiny it is. I'll zoom in so y'all can see that. It's so tiny. Which is good. It does say to wear it on the same side because it's smaller, the antenna is shorter. So you want to wear it on the same side as your pump. Look at this compared to this. Now let me take the tape off of this so y'all can see. I know y'all don't want to see the band-aid part, so hold on. Give me a second, I'll take it off so you can see. Okay, we're back. So this is what it would look like. Mind you, this is pretty thick. And I'm about to take this off so y'all can see it anyway because I got to start this one. But you see the difference between the two? And this one's all gummy because of the Band-Aid stick grip, I think is what it's called. But it's basically like a Band-Aid material. And it goes over all of this. So how big it was. But this is really thick compared to this one. So it gives you like some updates of what has happened with the software update. This is what you're getting. The ability to tap. It's basically like an Apple Pay. So I'm gonna be like with my phone, which I'm about to show you. I'm gonna switch to my husband's phone and record on his phone and then show you guys what it looks like to start my sensor. Believe it? All right, I'm back. I'm about to go ahead and get this set up. I got the other one off. You see it says start sensor. And it says, are you starting an Instinct sensor? Which I am. So I click yes. And it says applying new sensor. The sensor should only be applied to the back of your upper arm, which I have to confirm. Now it says scan new sensor, which I click scan. Oh, it did. That's pretty cool. You just tap it. Keep pump near sensor. Sensor warm up has Sensor warm up has started and will take 60 minutes. And excuse the background. My husband's walking. Treadmill. But now it's warming up. Now I'll be back. So here's it warming up, and then it literally only took an hour, which is great. No more 2-hour warming time. And my sugars are registering. Here's a picture of my sensor. So it's the next day. Yes. And Chewbacca's still playing in the back with his pigs. Sorry for the loud noise. He gets riled up. This is the Instinct Sensor. Again, this is my Guardian 4. And I was on the Guardian 3 in the last video. I'll link that again. I'll link in the eye above. But this is the Guardian 4. This is just the transmitter. And it was, look how big it is itself. Remember, it also had the sensor, which is another piece, and it's light. I barely even realize it's there. I'm not going to put the grip tape on there as of right now. I just want to see how long this lasts as itself. So far, so good. It's like I said, it's only been, it's the next day, only been a day. So, no complaints. It only did the 1 hour warm up and no issues so far. And I'm happy. It's my diabetical life, you know? So thank y'all for watching. Keep tuning in. I appreciate all of your support. Don't forget to hit that follow if you haven't, or subscribe, shall I say. And until next time, bye.